Welcome back to Dean's allotment. Just up on the new plot. I'm just preparing the ground for some raspberries that I should be putting in. I have 10 canes. They are a summer fruiting variety called Glen Ample. They're thornless, thankfully, so when it comes to picking the fruit it shouldn't be too painful. As you can see, I've just started to dig out a trench all the way along. Like I said, 10 or so canes 2 foot apart along the back of the new plot. It's going to take up a good 20 foot. I will catch up with you when I start to put the raspberry canes in, and I will put some supports up as well. Right, I'm just going to start to put the raspberries in the trench that I've dug. I've layered the bottom of the trench with some compost to give them a little bit of a head start. I've put the raspberries in a bucket of water for about 2 hours. I'm just going to start to plant them. Right, I've spaced the raspberries about 2 foot apart all the way along the trench, and I shall now start to cover them in and hill them in. Okay, that's all the raspberries been put in, all been covered in and healed in and made tidy. The next job to be done is to put the support stakes and the wiring in to train the canes up. Well, morning, back down on the allotment after putting the raspberries in yesterday. As you can see, it's a bit of a cold morning with a frost on the ground. I dug out 3 holes at each end, 3 holes, 2 holes, 1 at each end, 1 in the middle. As you can see, I've just put stakes in to support the raspberries. I will be putting wire across shortly. I will come back to you. Right, as you can see, I've tied some galvanised wire around the posts and nailed them in, and I've hung these wire tighteners. You can buy these anywhere. You unscrew them, fully extend them, and I will show once all the wires are across the whole lot how they're tightened up. And I've done that in 4 different spaces, one near the top and individual 4 all the way down to the bottom. Right, I've now tied one end around the post and taken the wire all the way along the bottom, all the way across to the end, fed the wire through the restraining hole there, wired the wire around, and this is your wire tensioner. You gradually start to turn this, and this tightens the wire, makes it nice and taut, and I shall do this on the other 3 and come back. Right, that's now all 4 lengths of wire stretched between all the posts. As you can see, these tighteners have tightened the wires all the way across. The only thing I need to do now is possibly get some zip ties just to secure them to the middle posts, and then that's now ready for supporting the raspberries when they start to come through in the spring. Well, thanks for watching. Please feel free to subscribe, and I'll see you soon.